My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-ups that come from the site Rouludv.icu. Rouludv.icu is a junk and truly deceptive site which tries to make you download and install some unwanted browser extensions. These pop-ups by Rouludv.icu are absolutely faulty and deceptive. You should not interact with them. Don't ever install anything that these pop-ups suggest, because, as I said, they try to promote some unwanted browser extensions. Such extensions may operate as adware or browser hijackers that may change a lot of crucial browser settings without your permission. So, you should not tolerate these pop-ups by Rouludv.icu. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions, disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. I also recommend that you research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.